Hello! I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek at a new feature we're about to release. It's going to be released as a beta, so you will need to opt in to actually use it. But it is the custom Google Calendar events feature. A lot of people have been requesting it, so every time a appointment gets synced to Google Calendar, we actually would sync a default event that kind of had a set like title, location, and details, and a lot of people wanted to change those up and edit all the information that gets passed through, and now we have it. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and how it works. So you would go to SSA settings, and then you go to your Google settings. Here I have it turned on, but you'll need to toggle it on. From here, you'll see we have a total of 5 events, and each one of these is going to be unique. And this is going to be the only one that's constant. All these other ones are going to be available for you to edit depending on the settings that you have. So for example, the ones that say group are only available if you're using the group capacity setting, and the ones that say shared are only available if you're using the Google Invite setting. So it's just a mix mash of all the settings that you have, and that's going to let you define some of these. So a little overview of what's inside. So if you look at this blue box, it'll give you an explanation as to when this event is going to be used, and it actually gives you an example appointment type. So this one's going to be used with my appointment type with the following one. It has a really long name, I don't want to say it, but let's go ahead and edit one of these and we can book a test appointment. So for example, here I have the title being passed, but if I would like to do something different, so for example, put my customer name and instead say meeting with. So I want to put this on my calendar, say I'm meeting with blank. And so the location, I'll just put something silly like my house, and then I think I have something copy pasted. So yes, I want to put in the details, a little message that says, hello, I'm excited to meet you. And so I'm going to go ahead and save this, and then you should have a little feedback here says the settings have been saved. And from here, let me actually show you a little, or just show you the settings that I have. So that specific admin event, it's available for me to edit because I have an appointment type that has this calendar sync turned on. So I could have it like this and my admin event wouldn't be available to edit, but since I have one here selected, I'm able to edit that event. And I think I mentioned earlier the Google Invites feature. So this is a little toggle for that. So if my customers or if my team members are invited to the event, I would have this on and they would be able to see that event as well. So I believe I edited the admin only one. So let's go ahead and book that one and see what it looks like. So this is the one I just edited. And let's book one in February. And let's make up a regular name. And let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So here we have my meeting with John Doe. And it says my house, and I have my little message here. Hello, I'm excited to meet you. And so that's pretty much how it works. Again, this is going to be a beta feature. You'll need to opt in, and yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this is something that'll be useful for you. And just make sure to let us know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.